Today we're making some banana pudding. No bake banana pudding. We're going to start off by chopping up some bananas into slices. So I already peeled my bananas and we're going to chop them up into slices. Just like this. Just slices. So we have all our bananas sliced up. Now we're going to get our vanilla wafers out and start laying them flat into our pan. We're using vanilla wafers. Start putting them down flat like this in your pan. Just keep going. Layer them all the way across. Our cookies are all laid out, so now we're going to start putting the bananas down. Just drop one on top of each of them, all the way around. Keep doing that. Bananas are all on top. Now we got to do our pudding. So I'm using vanilla jello pudding, and I'm going to show you how to make it. You're going to need 2 cups of cold milk. Take a 1 cup. 2 cups of milk. Now pour in your pudding mix. And you got to beat it until it's thickened. And I want to drop in a teaspoon of Mexican vanilla. This is what Mexican vanilla looks like, you guys. Now we're just going to whisk it until it's thickened. Keep mixing it. You can use a regular mixer if you like, but I'm just going to use a fork. But just keep whisking it until it's thickened. Our pudding is thickened. Now we're going to start scooping some of it on top of our cookies. Just cover the whole thing up with some pudding. Just keep scooping it out and putting it on there. So now we're going to go with another layer of cookies on top. Do the same as you did earlier. Just keep putting them on across. So now that our cookies are all over there again, then we're going to add the rest of the bananas on there. Just keep on putting them on there. Just put the bananas in there. Now we're going to scoop the rest of our pudding mixture on top. Just put it on top. Spread it out. So it's all finished up. Put it in the refrigerator. Let it be cold. There you have it, you guys. Banana pudding, no bake.